Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Dodge Ram headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet with a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight assembly for your truck. For safety, park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine before you begin. This ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Open your hood and find the two 10mm retaining bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your ratchet to remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward to release it from its clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing the tabs and pulling them free. With the old headlight out, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the electrical wiring harness to your new headlight assembly, ensuring a secure connection. Carefully align the new headlight with the mounting points on your truck and push it firmly into place until it clicks. Then, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm retaining bolts at the top of the assembly. You're almost done. Turn on your truck and test the new headlights, checking both low and high beams to ensure everything works correctly. If your headlights seem too high or too low, you might need to adjust their aim for optimal visibility and safety. You can usually find adjustment screws near the headlight housing. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.